This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable before beginning. Allow the engine to cool completely. The cooling system can remain pressurized and hot coolant will cause severe burns. Place a 3+ gallon drain pan under the radiator drain petcock and wear safety glasses and gloves. Gather tools: 10 mm, 12 mm sockets, pliers, flat screwdriver, funnel, new radiator, 2 new hose clamps, and replacement coolant about 8 liters 5 QT. Drain the coolant by opening the radiator petcock and removing the lower hose from the radiator. Capture fluid in your pan. Loosen and remove the upper radiator hose, then label and disconnect transmission cooler lines if your Santa Fe has them. Plug lines to limit fluid loss. Unplug the fan electrical connector, remove the fan shroud bolts, and unbolt radiator mounting brackets using 10 mm and 12 mm sockets. Carefully lift the radiator straight up to avoid bending the condenser, or set the new radiator into place, align mounting points, and tighten mounting bolts to snug. Reinstall the fan shroud and reconnect the fan electrical connector. Reattach the upper and lower hoses with new or cleaned clamps and reconnect any transmission cooler lines, tightening fittings securely. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Refill the system with about 8 liters 5 QT of manufacturer-recommended coolant. Leave the radiator cap loose for bleeding and start the engine with heat on high. Run until the thermostat opens and bubbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.